Yes, YouTube, TroyStarz again back at it with one more video again. You know, alright, that video is a short video, just a little video me I put out really and truly for my mother. But me just I put it up on the channel just in case of anybody else in the same little, you know, it's just a little small video. Hear me, so right after this message I get right into it.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, hear me, I said, now TroyStarz are checking you know. So hear me, I said, no. This video right now, I'm going to shoot off is just basically, me I touch some of my audience, them I have, but basically not in the technical, you know, this whole heap of, you know, this new gadget thing. Yeah, you know, I'm just touch on a beast right now. Basically, this is what happened. My mother called me and said, how is it that my little sister get the video, my YouTube videos, and she don't get it, and she don't understand how she have to watch it on other phone, but she can't watch it on fair one. She don't know. So me I said then in all of my videos I've been preaching it, say subscribe to my YouTube channel. I tell me say all these years from me do videos, you know, subscribe to my channel. Because normally I would have send the videos them in WhatsApp. I would send it in WhatsApp and you know everybody watch it. But me never know say she never actually know how to subscribe or know how to send a comment or you know or how to share my video. So basically I just say, you know, I'm gonna do a video. Really I stated to her, but just in case of anybody else, maybe on my WhatsApp or on my Facebook where, you know, not in that whole heap of technology thing there and just stick to the old school, you know, just in case you want to subscribe to my channel, you always hear me and say subscribe to my channel. Now, you don't understand, I'm going to do the video just to cover that right now and show you how to leave a comment, and that's about it. So thanks for tuning in. And right after this, I'm going to show you what I go on. So big up for yourself and thanks all of my elder subscribers. Then big up for yourself. My love for having you here. Sorry, I never show no over subscribe. I never know, so I never know. So my apology. So here I go on. I'm going to show you in this video. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, so this is my phone basically. Alright, I'm going to WhatsApp because basically WhatsApp my way send a message in. So going to WhatsApp, so alright, this I want my video. I'm saying go get to my mother. When you get into the video, right? And the video come on. Yeah, the video come on and it starts, right? Now, one way you need to do is basically to subscribe. This red button where you see right here, I don't know if you can see it clearly. This red button that you see right here that says subscribe. All you need to do is just press on it. When you press on it, it will become gray or it will not be red anymore. That's when you know you're subscribed, right? So when you click on this button right here, you're officially subscribed. So any video I send you, you will get it without I have to send it to your WhatsApp, right? All right, as soon as I post it, you will get it. And right down here, you will see where you can leave a comment, right? This is where you leave a comment all the way up. Like the video is all the way up here. You scroll upwards, and right down here you see where you can leave a comment. Then you just click right on that space that said add a public comment, and you type anything you want to leave. And as soon as you type, you get the arrow to send, and you press and you post right on the comment bar. So basically that's how you subscribe. And that's how you leave a comment. Hopefully understand and you know exactly what I'm saying. So back again one more time. Go back. This is the message coming WhatsApp. When you open it from WhatsApp, when you open it from WhatsApp, then you see the subscribe right here, the red button for subscribe. So you press on it, and you will eventually subscribe by pressing that red button right there. That said subscribe, okay. And after you subscribe to subscribe, like I said before, you will get all of my videos that I posted automatically come to you. Then to leave a comment or to say anything, you scroll all the way up. And when you scroll all the way up, you see where it says comments. And you can press on that, where my picture is, you press right there. And you get the option to leave me a comment or send me a comment. All right? You type whatever you're typing in, and you will get that little arrow right there to send. All right. Now, to share the video, right above here you have the like button, the dislike button, and the share. That arrow thing right here is to share. Then you press on share, and then it give you, your phone will give you the option to go WhatsApp or Facebook or anywhere you want to share the video. The phone will give you the option, and you press on it, like you press on WhatsApp, and you find who you want to share the video to, and then you just press on that person and press send, and that's how you share the video. So hopefully this helps, hopefully you understand, and this is TroyStarz checking out. Thanks for tuning in, and big up yourself, respect, and thanks again. Blessed. Yes, YouTube, I'm going to say TroyStarz again. I say one more video for the peeps. Here I go now. That video, basically, seriously, that video for my mother. Honestly, not.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.